Join us as we take you on a tour of a deluxe studio room at Disney's Beach Club Resort in the Disney Vacation Club section. And here we are at Villa 312. As you walk in, you see the hardwood floor, and of course, the colors, the inviting beach colors. Beautiful. We loved the pastel blues, the hardwoods, and of course the big screen televisions are very nice in these rooms. The room was relatively simple, straightforward, understated, but very clean, comfortable, beautiful couch that pulls out into a bed, and here's the standard queen size bed. And again, just another look at the simplicity in the colors. Certainly the room is a bit on the minimalist side, and it works really well. The little table has some storage space, and this couch was really comfy. And then you got the standard microwave, your sink, some overhead storage with some plates and cups and utensils. Again, the couch and bed. And this is the fold-out bed. My son loved seeing the scene with Donald in there, and of course he had to try it out. It's a great little balcony. Hey V, it's a great view of the little pool.
Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, time to go home.
There's a little turtle popped up in the breezeway, the little waterway beside our pool here at Disney's Beach Club Villas. Very cool. Lots of fish back here.
And just one of the many details, a little starfish on the knob on the drawers. And this was the view from the balcony. It was a great little pool. And certainly there were some big fish and lots of turtles in the little waterway that we could see clearly from our balcony. It was a great room, great view, and a great stay. Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, like, and if you want to watch some more of these videos, subscribe. We got lots more content coming your way.